Hello again. Here we are to talk about Swift, and right now we're focusing on enums. In the last video, we discussed an enum. We walked through how to use an enum to display or work with a fixed set of values, and we did that with the boba tea class. Let's try it now with the coffee type. So how did you do on your solution? Let's walk through a solution with the coffee type enum. So again, the bean right here this bean variable is gonna be the coffee type. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the string here and set this to coffee type. There we are, right? Okay. And now I'm gonna have a couple errors are gonna show up, right? Because we had used a string for that previously. So over here, when we create a coffee, it requires a bean type, and we're passing in a string here for that bean type. So I'm going to swap this for coffee type, and so that should fix the problem here. And then down here, where it wants a bean type, and I set it to a string, I'm going to have to use the dot and then pick one of the enum types. So you can see in this way that using an enum could keep us from using a value that was not valid, or keep us from misspelling something. Like if we used a string there, you might misspell the name of a coffee type, right? Where here, I can't really make a mistake. I have to only choose from the list. Okay, so there you go. There's your solution, right? So we're gonna set bean type here to one of our enum choices after we change the type here to coffee type, and then also change the bean up here in our coffee struct to the coffee type. Okay, so thanks for watching, and then we got a few more things to say about enums, and then we'll be finished for today's class.